when we try to guide our customers through how do you go and actually get practical and implement this stuff is think about your consumer or customer life cycle specific to your business, right? So, um, in like banking, financial services in general, there's generally a life cycle that you can start to embed these experiences into across different channels, whether that's online, on web, in your mobile apps, or even in physical branches, things like that. What are the, online and mobile banking first interactions that happen when someone comes to your website before you even know who they are? When we think about cookies, trackers, these types of things, those digital experiences to start to try and, of course, drive compliance, but maximize any conversions there. Um, as you start to think about how I would say maybe consumers become customers, right? That your unknown visitors start to become customers. How does that life cycle work in terms of, um, like you mentioned, Manoj, these multi-channel consent and preferences for how they want their digital banking experience to work? How do you have like frictionless onboarding of a new customer? How do you give them the ability to control even their security practices within the account through enhanced preferences? And all of those types of things, including data sharing, right? As they move through this life cycle. So just being able to give full control over that, which then drives your ability to customize, personalize, and drive, new offers and things like that to those customers and give them this, kind of privacy and trust first customer experience, if you will, that builds trust in the long run. So I think this is, a typical kind of consumer journey and life cycle that, um, different types of financial organizations can think about how they embed privacy and transparency in this from more of like a practical operational perspective. Where does your consent notices, DSAR experiences kind of go within this life cycle from a privacy perspective?